Hello, Chamberlain. Welcome back to Champion Finance and welcome back to our series of instruction videos. We have talked about farm and boardroom. Today we will talk about notes. A note is a use case for a week to keep it strong with high returns, and more importantly, it will not be affected by rebase. So, for more details, you can come to Champion Finance and click to Docs. It's here. Yes, all about notes is here. So we have 3 pools, 1 week, 2 week, and 3 week locked pools. And it is the overview about each pool. You can see so if you log into notes, you will earn CHAM. The daily APR for each pool is here. Total nodes locked in the pools and the maximum number of nodes that you can stake here. Or you can go into each pool to see more details. The number of your nodes. Okay, so to create one node, you need 100 AVIC. And the number of nodes for each pool is limited to maximum 7% of the total current supply of AVIC. Last time I staked some boardroom. I staked some CHAM here, but it cannot be claimed now, so I will buy some more AVIC on Trader Joe. So if you have AVIC here, you can claim and put into node. Come back to home page and click to buy AVIC. This is the Trader Joe website. Okay, swap USDC to AVIC because I have USDC. Okay, so this is the total amount of AVIC that I can buy. Approve USDC. Okay, you can choose the fee that you want to confirm. It's a little bit slow, I think. Okay, approve already. You can click here at 0.1%. So your transaction may fail. Choose it first. If it fails, then we will come back and choose 0.5%. Okay. So the minimum that I can receive is 51.4 AVIC. Swap. Confirm. Transaction submitted. Just wait. Okay, I already swap. So I have 51.4 AVIC in my wallet. Okay, come back to German Finance, go to notes. Okay, I will go to, we still have one spot here, so go to 1 week note, approve AVIC, confirm. Okay, already approved. Okay, the plus button is red right now, so you can stack it. Enter a number divisible by 100. Okay, 100. It should be okay here, right? Hmm. Okay, so yeah, the confirm button is not red. Yeah, you can see the total nodes 228 and it's full already. So try another. Yeah, so 1 week and 3 week locked pools are full. Go to 2 week. Okay, I will stack in 2 week locked 100. Okay, red already. Confirm. Wait. Okay, already stacked. Please wait some moments so that it will be shown here. Okay, so I already stacked. So you can withdraw your fund with after this time. Yeah, and of course your rewards will be automatically claimed with your funds. I just want to share a little bit more about notes. Yeah, we have weekly note price to 13 accounts. For the top 3 highest points, we have 3 prizes. The first prize with 5 gem, the second prize with 3 gem, and the third prize with 2 gem, and 10 more accounts followed by will get 1 gem for each account. So please join our Discord to know more about how to calculate this point. Yeah, so that's all about Node. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you very much, Emily. Bye bye.